Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the lengthy addition using Vedic maths. How we do lengthy addition in Vedic maths? To understand this, we need to have knowledge about the addition table, which I have already explained in part 1, which is given in the below link. We should have knowledge about the carry and non-carry combinations, which is explained in part 1 as well as in part 2. Now you should have masters in 2 digits and 3 digits addition using Vedic math. That is in part 2, and in 1 also it is there. Go through part 1 and part 2. You will come to know about this, and you need to practice about the AND numbers, because maths is not a subject which you can learn overnight. You need to do practice, then only you can be able to solve some problems. So first of all we will practice about the AND numbers, then we will move on to the lengthy addition. Let's do AND number practice of the carry combinations. What are the carry combination and what are the non-carry combinations? That you would have to go through the link 1 and 2, which are given below. Now, as I explained in those links, if a number is there 7 plus 5, which is equals to 12, it means it is a carry combination. So we need to remember only this 2, which is at the unit place. This is AND number. We need to remember this 2 only, and we need to keep 1 in our mind as we have discussed. So we are going to write only the AND numbers. Whenever we look at two numbers, we should click about the AND numbers and write only AND numbers, because this practice is needed in the lengthy addition. Let's consider 7 plus 3, 10. So we will remember only 0. So 7 plus 3, 0. 9 plus 5, 14. But we will remember only 4. It means 9 plus 5 equals to 4. We will remember it for our Vedic maths practice. 7 and 6. Actual answer is 13. But we won't write 13. We will write only 3. 8 plus 4. That is 2. 2 plus 9, 1. 5 plus 5, 0. 6 plus 8, 4. 9 plus 7 is 6. 8 plus 5 is 3. 6 plus 6, 2. 7 plus 3, 0. And 4 plus 9, again 3. Hope you have understand how I have written. Suppose 6 plus 8, that is 14, but we will remember only AND number. See, I have already highlighted, we need to write down only AND numbers. You need to do its practice. Once you do the practice, you will be able to write down answer by just looking at the pair, and it will be very helpful in the lengthy addition. So, now let's start lengthy additions. I have taken one example for the lengthy addition, that is 4, 5, 6, 2, 3 plus 1, 7, 2, 9, 5. We have already discussed about the 2 digits and 3 digits. Some rules are there. Start from the left side, that is first rule. Second rule is look at the next pair. नेक्स्ट पेयर को हमें देखना है बिफोर एडिंग द नंबर. एंड थर्ड, वी शुड हैव प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द एंड नंबर्स. दैट शुड बी kept in our mind. Now let's start from the left hand side. 4 plus 1, which is 5. But look at the next pair. It is 5 and 7, which is 2, right? So it is a carry combination. So instead of 5, we need to write 6. Now next is 5 and 7, which is 2, right? But what about the next pair? There is 6 and 2 which is non-carry combination. So 5 and 7 is 2. Write down 2 only. Now 6 and 2. We need to add this 2 which is 6 and 2 is 8. But what about the next pair? It is 2 and 9 which is a carry combination. It means here we cannot write down 6 and 2 8. We need to write down 9. We need to add 1. Now 2 and 9 which is 1. But what about the next pair? Next pair is 3 and 5 which is non-carry combination. So we will keep 1 as it is. Next is 3 and 5. It is last number. It is not having next pair. So we need to write down answer directly. 3 and 5 which is 8. You can see that final answer is 6, 2, 9, 1, 8. See here I have not said 5 plus 7 is 12. I have already said only n number, because you need to do the practice of the n number for the lengthy addition. Let's discuss one more example of the lengthy addition. 7 plus 2 is 9. But look at the next pair. 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is a carry combination. So we need to write down 10. See here we won't remember only n number because this is the starting. So we need to write down the entire number. Now 6 and 7, that is 3. But what about the next pair? It is 5 and 8 which is a carry combination. So instead of 3 we need to write down 4. Now next is 5 and 8 which is 3. But look at the next pair, 8 and 5 which is a carry combination. So instead of 3 we need to write down 4. Now next number is 8 and 5 which is 3. But look at the next pair, it is 3 and 9 which is a carry combination. It means cut this 3, write down 4. 3 and 9 means 2. I am talking about the n numbers only, right? And what about the next pair? It is 9 and 2 which is a carry combination, right? So instead of 2 we need to write down this 3. And 9 and 2 which is 1. It is last pair, no pair further, so 1 as it is. So I am writing 1 over here. So final answer is 1044431. As you do more practice, you will come to know how to do addition very quickly. I am explaining to the beginners. Being a student, you may think it is taking much more time, but once you do its practice, you can write answer directly. Like I have written 7 plus 2 9. I cut 9 after looking this pair. Once you do the practice, you can write down answers directly and you will enjoy it. Hope you have understand the concept of the lengthy addition also. If you have enjoyed this session, please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe it. Thank you.